These incredible paradise islands and unspoiled beaches in Caramoan Islands are Bicol's best-kept secret. Yes, it is located in Bicol region in the province of Camarines Sur, Philippines. Maybe the only attraction came up in your mind as the perfect cone-shaped volcano found in the region, but there are still many hidden paradise in its provinces you might not know, especially these gems located in Caramoan Islands. Perhaps, people from Luzon tend to go to Visayas down to Mindanao to experience the breathtaking beaches, not knowing there are some of the best beaches near them. So these are incredible islands with stunning beaches in Caramoan you might want to include in your island hopping plans this year. 10 Best Beaches in Caramoan Islands. 1. Mmte Island. Mmte Island is one of the best islands in Caramoan and it is the most popular one. The island have 3 powdery white sand beaches and crystal clear waters. One can also find an interesting lagoon, beautiful rock formations and tropical forest. The best time to visit the island is the morning, so you will have the beach yourself, less people and no disturbances. It is also a great time to take pictures and dip into the waters. 2. Sabatang Laya Island. Sabatang Laya Island is a triangular-shaped famous island in Caramoan. It has two twin beaches, the Sabatang Laya Beach and the other is the Bagang Beach. Both of these two are composed of very long stretch, around 2 kilometers, of powdery white sand beach in pristine waters. Aside from that, the group of magnificent limestone rock formations in the island is one of its best features. This island is one of the best camping destinations in Caramoan. 3. Pitago Island. Pitago Island is known to have very calm waters and unique pebble beach. While other islands and beaches in Caramoan have powdery white sand, in Pitago Island, they are replaced by nature with very smooth small stones or pebbles. This is where most visitors in an island hopping tour relax, swim into the still waters and have their lunch. 4. Leos Island. The most interesting feature of Leos Island is the white sand between 2 big limestone formations. So one can pass through the other side of the island easily, thus the meaning of Leos, to pass though. This island is just near Mmte Island, see the first on the list. 5. Codivas Island. Codivas Island is one of the paradise islands in Caramoan. It is composed of a long stretch fine sand beach and wide shallow waters. What makes it popular is that during low tide, one can find sandbars. During this time, one can walk into the shallow waters and go to the sandbars while enjoying the stunning view. The perfect swimming area is on the tip of the island. 6. Hanangan Island. Hanangan Island is an island covered with tropical forest and has a beautiful cove called Hanangan Cove. The beach is mantled with white sand and clear waters. Facing the Pacific Ocean, the waves in this cove are big but very consistent. The view of the big rock formations on both ends are amazing. This is a perfect destination for couples and stay at night in Hanangan Cove Resort. 7. Manalahos Island. Manalahos Island is a perfect swimming destination in Caramoan. Like the other beaches, it also have very fine sugar-like white sand beach and clean seawater. It has tall limestone cliffs unlike the others. Some of the challenges in the famous TV show, The Survivor, were taken here. 8. Goda Island. Goda Island is one of the island paradise in Caramoan where it has 2 coves with white sand beach with clear and cold waters perfect for swimming. The coves are open for public most of the time, but it is closed sometimes. It is because there is a resort called Goda Village Resort in the island where sometimes the crew from the reality TV show, Survivor, occupies the entire for their scenes. It is a recommended resort for those who don't mind staying in a luxury resort. 9. Tayak Beach. Tayak Beach is a very inviting pure white sand beach located in between 2 huge limestone cliffs, providing a great spot for swimming. One can even swim under some of the suspended sides of limestone formations. Behind the beach is the Tayak Lake with lush of green vegetation, a perfect place to pause for a moment, relax and meditate. Tayak Beach and Tayak Lagoon are located in Malarad Island. 10. Manlawi Sandbar. Of all the islands and beaches you will have to visit in Caramoan Islands, include Manlawi Island in your top destination. It is where one can find the extraordinary Manlawi Sandbar. During low tide, seems like all the waters are pulled off the shore, creating a very vast expanse of powdery white sand that extends through the horizon. So you can run on the sand or play frisbee, since it would turn out like an Olympic-sized sandbar. And as the high tide approaches, the super wide sandbar will be covered with shallow waters painted with blue and green colors. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and Facebook channel. Keep safe and have a good day.